Should I sell my home now? This is one of the most common questions we get asked. The best time to sell is when you're ready. If you have a job waiting for you and you need to sell now, then the best time is to sell now. We don't have a crystal globe of what interest rates are going to be in the future, what the market's going to be like in the future. We can make an educated guess, but typically speaking, if you ask a realtor what the market is right now, they're going to tell you, hey, maybe you should wait a month, or they'll say, no, now's the time. And so it's not like year from year or month to month, there is a set time that you should list in May because it's summer and people like to move during summer. Well, that's true, but people move during winter too. And people over the holidays, there's no inventory on the market because everyone's waiting till the new year. Or maybe they're waiting for the snow to thaw, so there's not really a set time that in the market we're gonna say, hey, if you sell now, you're gonna get top dollar, it's gonna sell faster, or anything like that. You really need to be basing it off of your need. If you need to have your home sold because you're leaving state, put it on the market now. If you're not taking a job or you don't want to move, or maybe you're building a new house and you have 10 months to spare, well, maybe you should wait, because if not, you're going to be in a rental property, in that intermittent time. And so if you're wondering right now, should I sell? Just ask yourself the same question. Are you ready?